Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Google business profile phone number not approved. So it's actually pretty straightforward. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all I'm just going to go to the official website. So here it says, so if your business location is outside of India, make sure the phone number does not violate the guidelines for representing your business on Google. So please correct the phone number using the suggest and edit in your Google Maps and wait 2 to 3 days. Also, please make sure that the phone number is listed on the official website is the correct number. So if the number is still not changed, please contact Google Business Profile support team using the form below. So just edit your phone number, and if it still doesn't get approved, you can just contact the Google Business Profile support team using the form below like this. So yeah guys, this is how you support their contact their support. So just put in your problem here and just put in all of your information and contact them, and they will fix your problem if it doesn't get fixed already. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.